Want to do a quick video. There's probably two more regions, and I can probably just keep going on and on. Anyways, there's two spots. There's ants. I assume it's just the ants. Um, but I was wondering about the soil pH in particular. And then while I'm at it, I'm like, hey, I'll kind of system will let these sit here for about an hour before I test with the strips, and also filter with a coffee filter, and then test with a meter after calibrating. I was wondering what the soil pH is, and I was like, well, I bought this like water testing kit, which has 100 test strips, and it's not really the best for pH range because it's like 6 to 9. But I assume that if the color is really the red color, which is a 6, um, that I can test further to see better what the range below 6 is with either other test strips or the pH meter. But anyways, I figured I'd try just to see because I'm curious what some of the other test results are, because there's like 16 parameters or so that are on that strip. So anyways, and while I was at it, I was like, it's kind of cool using these jars to see what the sand, silt, loam, and clay level is. So I'll probably wind up leaving these in overnight, maybe even 48 hours. I didn't put detergent in though. You read online some of the methods called to put a little bit of detergent in there as well. I didn't, but we'll see. I don't know. Maybe the separation's not as good. Will be interesting though to see what the generic rough ratio is. Anyways, I just wanted to share. Be safe, stay healthy. Until next time, you can check out the internet. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, tips. What's the way that you use to test your soil? And until next time, bye for now.